Past level 2 to level 2.5 now. Um, so you get 3 different problems here. I'll try to put it all in one video is the goal. But you're to write the rate and solve the unit rate for each of these problems. So we've got 30 inches every 6 hours. So how much snow falls in 1 hour? So what we've got is snowfall per hour. So it's good to write your units down. So in the story, we've got 30 snowfall inches every 6 hours. So we need to get that to a unit rate. In order to do that, we need a 1 down here, right? So this is just like level 2s, but you had to set up the fractions and put all the values in the right location. So our work here, we're dividing by 6. So we're doing the same thing up here, dividing by 6, and we get 5. So just make sure you attach 5 inches every hour. So now let's go to this other one. If I pay $4 for 4 pencils, how much do I pay per pencil? So pay per pencil is money, is what we pay per pencil. I'm going to put P for pencil, right? So that allows me to know where my rates are going to go, and then I can set up my fractions. So I paid $4 for 20 pencils, and I need this to turn into 1. So what did we do to 20 to get it to 1? We divided by 20. So what are we going to do to 4 to find out how much 1 pencil? We're going to divide it by 20. So our long division occurs somewhere. I'm writing big, and so what we got here is we've got 4. I like to write it so I see it. 4 divided by 20. That tells me 4's here and 20's on the outside, right? 20's not going to fit into 4. That's just 20's too big. So I'm going to have to insert decimal and drop a 0 in there. How many times does 20 go into 40? 2 times. 20 times 40, or 20 times 2 is 40, and I can subtract those out and get 0. So that allows me to stop here at 0.2. But we have to understand that this is money. So what that really means is, I insert another 0 there. It's 20 cents. It's 20 cents for every 1 pencil. All right, if I spend $3.50 for chocolate, how much does each chocolate cost? So it's a cost per chocolate, right? So our cost is 3.5, or $3.50 divided by 7 chocolates. Turn that into 1. So what did we do to 7 to turn it into 1? We divided by 7. So then we can go over here and divide by 7 as well. So doing my long division somewhere, we've got 3.5 divided by 7. That's going to turn into 3.5 and 7, right? Well, 7's not going to go into 3, so that's 0. I'm going to carry up that decimal. 7 will go into 35 5 times. 7 times 5 is 35. So we can subtract that out and get 0. So we get 0.5. And again, we're talking money, so I could put another 0 here, and you could see that it's 50 cents for every 1 chocolate.